Please silence any and all noisemakers and picture takers. King Triton is eager to see his daughters perform. There can be no interruptions. Our musical performance shall begin momentarily. Thank you. Now presenting His Royal Highness King Triton and our esteemed court composer Horatio Felonius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
That you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
But if you would just listen.
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
I know. I had to escape all that marriage talk. just haven't met the right girl yet. Don't believe me, Vince. She's out there somewhere. I just know it. Okay, boy. Hey! Wait up!
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Someday I'll Sebastian, I tried to stop him.
Ariel, what is all this?
It's my collection.
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up there.
No, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. They work all day, they slave away, while we devoted full time to floating under the sea. And the moon play the flute, and the cow play the harp, and the bass play the bass, and they sounding sharp. All the bass play the brass, and the drum play the drum, and all that blowfish blow. Tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, I just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh, oh no, big finish. Under the sea. When there's a thing begin to begin, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hot station band. Each little clam here know how to jam ya under the sea. Each little slug here cuts in a run here under the sea. Each little snail here know how to whale here. That's why it's hotter under the water. Yeah, we in luck here, down in the mud here under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Flotsam, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
No, angelfish. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you will belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can
You'll
I...
have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you unfortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul. It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge like me, you got to pay the toll. Take a moment, take a breath, and go ahead and sign the scroll. Jackson, now I've got a voice. The boys on a board. This poor, unfortunate soul. Beluga, Snifluga, come winds of the Caspian Sea. Racist, no scientist, and max laryngitis, the bullshit to me. Now sing. Keep singing. Sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? Oh, it's okay. I'm Eric.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only 1 day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Words. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Did you hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha la 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 la, my oh my. You look like the boy too shy. Ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? You gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, no. How about Diane? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel?
close, too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tender course. Triton's daughter will be mine.
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy.
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.